Hello friends, a very warm welcome to all of you once again on Indian Restro. In today's episode, we have brought a very special and royal Bengali delicacy, lobster poppy curd curry. Large-sized lobster, the creamy richness of curd and the thick texture of poppy seeds together create a unique flavor experience that is equally popular in home cooking as well as special occasions. To prepare this delicious dish, we will need 2 large lobsters, onion paste, chopped green chilies, poppy seed paste, white curd, chopped onions, salt, oil, sugar, whole green chilies, and chopped tomatoes. With these simple ingredients, we will create today's special lobster poppy curd curry. Now let's move on to the cooking process. First, heat oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add chopped onions to the oil and fry them well. When the onions turn golden brown, remove them from the pan and keep them aside in a separate bowl. These fried onions will later be used as baresta. Next, in the same pan, add onion paste and green chili paste together and saute well. When the mixture starts releasing oil, add the poppy seed paste and stir thoroughly. Then slowly mix in the white curd, making sure it does not curdle. Keep the flame low at this stage and cook the mixture gently. Now add 2 tablespoons of sugar and salt according to taste and mix everything well. Then add the cleaned lobster pieces into the pan and cook them with the spices. When the lobsters are well coated with the masala and start turning slightly reddish, reduce the flame and cover the pan for a few minutes so that the lobsters cook properly. Once the cooking is done, transfer the lobster and gravy to a serving dish and let it rest for a while so it sets slightly. Finally, garnish with the fried onions, baresta, and decorate with green chilies and tomato pieces. And just like that, your delicious and visually appealing lobster poppy curd curry is ready to be served. Friends, in Bengali cuisine, prawns and lobsters hold a very special place. Especially large freshwater lobsters, which resemble prawns, have long been considered a luxurious ingredient. These were once the highlight of royal feasts and special occasions, and over time they found their way into everyday kitchens and a variety of dishes. On the other hand, poppy seeds have been an essential ingredient in Bengali cooking for generations. Their creamy texture and subtle flavor give Bengali dishes a distinct identity. Similarly, the use of curd has a long-standing tradition in Bengal, adding a mild, tangy, sweet taste to dishes. Lobster poppy curd curry is a wonderful combination of these 3 elements. It beautifully balances tradition and modern taste. In cities like Kolkata, such fusion dishes are becoming increasingly popular, where traditional ingredients are used to create new and exciting flavors. Today, this dish is gaining recognition not only in homes but also in restaurants and modern culinary spaces. In recent times, Bengali cuisine is evolving, blending traditional flavors with contemporary presentation. Lobster poppy curd curry is a perfect example of this transformation, showcasing a beautiful harmony between heritage and creativity. In conclusion, this dish is not just food, it is a reflection of Bengal's rich culinary heritage. Every ingredient and every step of the cooking process reminds us of the depth of our culture. So friends, that's all for today's delicious recipe. In the next episode, Indian Restro will return with another new and innovative dish. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy good food.